Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to take a quick look at AppArmor. It's a security module that runs by default on certain Linux systems, like newer Ubuntu and Debian. It's noticeably different than SE Linux, and in fact, the two security modules cannot run at the same time. AppArmor enforces restrictions using file system paths, while SE Linux applies security labels to objects. Think file system locations versus executables. To determine if AppArmor is operational on your system, use the AppArmor status command, and we need sudo to do that. I'll pipe that to more so we can see the most important output. So if you see output like this, AppArmor is running. It shows us how many security profiles are loaded and how many are in enforce mode versus complain mode. Think restricting access versus just lodging complaints. The main point is that AppArmor restricts access to processes and applications that might otherwise be exploited, and it does this largely without requiring that you do anything to configure it, though application profiles stored in the etc AppArmor.d directory can be modified as needed, and I'll just show you some of those. You notice that the names of these files here correspond to the locations of executables on the system. Well, that's your Linux tip introduction to AppArmor. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.